Okay, we're going to be unboxing the Sony PXW-Z150 4K XD Cam camcorder by Sony. I recently purchased this at B&H for $2,300, and normally brand new they go for $29.98, so it was about 20% cheaper because it's a used unit. And reason why I chose it is because of the automatic zoom feature, and for certain clients I just need something that I can zoom in really quickly, and it just makes it easier if you're doing a lot of running guns, ENG type of work, documentary. And I have a specific client that just needs a quick setup and run and go without having to do camera build, so I had to buy this camera just for that sake, and for also additional clients that I have that require interviews of that nature, conferences, that you can use these for longer shoots and not have to do a camera build. I do have a cinema camera, but this will make it a lot easier to shoot, and considering that my other mirrorless camera, I'm going through so much footage that there's mileage on that camera. So for a used camera, they had a good rating at B&H. I decided to go with B&H instead of going through Amazon. I don't want to risk getting a camera through eBay that might give me issues, and so I needed this camera for an upcoming job. And if I had gone through eBay, it would have been a lot cheaper, but at the same time there would have been a risk behind it. So I just decided to go with B&H just for the sake of feeling confident that this camera has gone through some type of Q&A. Not Q&A, sorry, quality control, QC. And let's see how it looks. Alright, definitely going to come in handy for a lot of work. Even just having it handy for my kids' videos, it's going to be a lot quicker to set up these things. I hope they have a battery for me for this camera. So it's been an open box, and looks like there's the manual here, the power cables, the charger. Yeah, I got one battery here, got a remote here. I'm gonna have to buy more of these batteries. Actually, I don't have to buy. I have a bunch of NPF batteries already. That's another reason why I chose this camcorder, is because I already have a lot of these NPF batteries, so that makes a big difference in deciding which camera to use. Okay, now where does the pin go? Trying to figure this out. Okay, you slide it in, there's a pin right there. Oh, it snaps in there pretty quickly. Okay, just a quick tour of this camera, and you know, I've read some specs and I've listened through a lot of videos as far as this camera. Let's power it up. I think the battery's charged. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, this would be great for my kids' baseball games and football games. I mean, off the bat, it looks very clean and brand new. I mean, hardly see any scratches on it. So I'm gonna have to do another video, a more thorough video, as far as my thoughts behind this camera, but I don't want to go through all these features and extend this video even further. So this is just a quick unboxing, just to see and feel the quality of this camera. And so far so good. I'm definitely feeling this is going to be a very beneficial camera for me in some of my work. All right, stay tuned for video number 2. If you guys like this video, click like. If you guys have any comments, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.